any homework-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at info@excelhomeworkhelp.com or reach us at www.excelhomeworkhelp.com. 1. Distributed via email are data from a survey on concern about global warming and the policy options available. The survey was conducted over the internet. A. Unzip the data, translate it into stata. B. Calculate the sample statistics for the variables. There are two variants, unweighted and weighted. Weighting corrects for the fact that there are biases in the sampling frame. What is the weighting variable in the dataset? You can weight the data by adding the subcommand a equals weight. C. Construct a table that shows the joint density of religiosity and concern about global warming. Construct a table that shows the joint density of concern about global warming and what we should do about it. D. Calculate the conditional probabilities and interpret them. E. Regress these variables on each other, concern on religiosity, and policy response on concern. Interpret the coefficients and relate them to the conditional probabilities in D. Two. A. Generate a joint normal random variable using the following commands. Set OBS 100,000 gen x equals and norm, uniform, gen y equals 1 plus 0.4 x plus and norm, uniform. Make a graph displaying the relationship between the variables. excelhomeworkhelp.com. B. Compute the means, standard deviations, and correlation between the variables. How does this relate to the values input in the simulation? C. Choose the highest 5% of cases of y and the lowest 5% of cases of y. Extract the conditional distributions of x, y. Make a graph and compute statistics using an if statement. Choose the highest 5% of cases of x and the lowest 5% of cases of x. Extract the conditional distributions of y, x. Make a graph and compute statistics using an if statement. Compare the difference between the means of y, x and the difference between the means of x, y. Why do they differ? excelhomeworkhelp.com. Question 1. The data already has a weighting variable under the name of weight. I believe that the variable use all different socioeconomic or racial background to correct the sampling frame bias. For the following conditional density and regression problems, I picked question 10, global warming concern, question 14b, policy response to global warming, and question 19, religiosity. Their sample statistics follows. Sum Q10 Q14b Q19. Variable OBS mean STD, dev, min max plus Q10, 1205 2.633195.1.273246 minus 15 Q14b, 1205.853112 minus 27 minus 15 Q14b, 1205.853112 minus 27 Q19. 1205.1880498.7110843 minus 13. Sum Q10 Q14b Q19, A equals weight. Variable, OBS weight mean STD, dev min max plus. Q10. 1205.1205.1800 2.683956.1.299613 minus 15 Q14b 1205.1205.1800.87446669 3.104373 minus 27 Q19 1205.10205.1800 1.90738 minus 13. excelhomeworkhelp.com Total 11,319,667,208, 1205. Tab 2 Q14B Q10. Dash tabulation of Q14B by Q10. Q10 Q14B minus 11234 total minus 2 1,112,221,142.47 606 minus 1 0 0 1 2 0 15 1 0 1 5 7 2 26 2 0 27 62 39 5 147 3 0 11 51 19 3 93 4 0 7 24 24 4 63 5 238 61 43 165 6 0 15 15 9 2 51 7 0 0 0 12 16 39. Total 3,211,440,294.82, 1205. ExcelHomeworkHelp.com. Q10 Q14B 5 total minus 2 83 606 minus 1 12 15 1 11 26 2 14 147 3 9 93 4 4 63 5 21 165 6 10 51 7 11 39 total 175 1205. These tables only show frequencies. By dividing the sample size of 1205, you can have a probability tables. Joint density table for Q10 and Q19. Q19 Q10 minus 1123 total minus 10.0020.001.0.020.040.090.040.09175 30.0020.037.0.110.038 50.0020.03070.076.0.0290.145 total 0.0090.2650.5540.1731. ExcelHomeworkHelp.com. Joint density table for Q10 and Q14B. Q10 Q14B minus 1123345 total minus 20.0010.093.0.180.039.0.0690.503 minus 10.0010.00010.00020.00010. 0.0121.000, 0.0010.00010.00090.02220.0000120.12230.000. 0.0090.040.016.0.070.00060.020.020. 0.0030.00030.05250.00320.051.03330.002.017.137.6